Okay, so I just made this end-fed halfway 49-to-1 UNUN. Got it set up to my inverted V, kind of sagging a little bit, I guess. And let me show you my first QSO. Okay, I had to capture this. This was, I just put my end-fed up and was messing around with it, getting it ready to do some 80 meter and 40 meter in a little bit. And I thought, I'll check on FT8, see how it works. Sound is nice and clear. I see this station. Let's see. Um, Kenya. I see Kenya pop up. Look at that. Got him immediately. So I think my end-fed works. What do you guys think? 5Z4VJ. Thank you for the QSO and my first Kenya. Incredible.